our beloved leader, Kota Narasimha Reddy garu. At the same time, we brought several demands that we can put forward in front of him. That is, number one is, we seek the representation. You know, the Muslim minorities are the majority in Andhra Pradesh, and that too we are not getting the full representation in nominated positions, and also in the I will request him to give the party positions as well to the Muslim minorities. At the same time, the second point Mr. Rafiq Khan highlighted that you know that very well that Muslim minorities are living in very weaker section, especially in the below the poverty line, and that too they don't have any economical outsourcing the living for their livelihood. So we request our beloved leader Sri Kota Narasimha Reddy garu to put forward to the government to brought several schemes that can benefit to the Muslim minorities, especially the women is there. They don't have any living doing the BD Chutadamu, small scale activities they are doing, tailoring and all this. But later on nowadays you see that our beloved leader Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, he is bringing several schemes for the benefit of all, not only the Muslim minorities, the all. That's like the Koparthi industrial area. He bought several textile industries are coming put forward. So we request him through Kota Narasimha Reddy garu to use this Hajj house for the skill development. You know, for Kuwait and Saudi and all these things areas, our Kadapa people, all these Rayalaseema region people, what they are doing just like simple drivers and housemaids and all. So we request him to bring several schemes for the benefit of the poor minorities to get benefit like skill development. Skill development means what? Just like 6G vendor course, instrumentation courses, data analytics courses, business analytics courses. These are the demand. So you know that several people have studied BTech, BSc, degree, MCom చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఎంతో మంది ఉంటారు. కానీ జాబ్స్ లేకుండా బెంగళూరు టు చెన్నై అట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతారు. సో వాట్ వి రిక్వెస్ట్ ఈస్ స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కోర్సెస్ ఈ కడప హాజ్ హౌస్ కనుక తీసుకొస్తే కనుక so many people will get benefit from this and they will get better jobs and better livelihood. So that is my request, and finally I will give to Rafiq Khan to put it on.